Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust back gesture sensitivity on your Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. You can simply adjust left side and right side of the sensitivity. Okay, so simply swipe up your screen from the home menu, then select settings, application, and select display and touch. Okay, after selecting display touch, you can just swipe up the screen. Then you can see option of navigation mode. Now it is on gesture mode. Click on that gear icon. Then you will see the sensitivity, back sensitivity, and left side and right side. You can simply increase or decrease the sensitivity. That means how much area you used for your back gesture. So you can simply adjust the areas by swiping left or right from the sides like left and right. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorials, comment below. I will post my replays as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.